Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this whistling stovetop tea kettle was just what we needed in our kitchen to boil water for tea, cocoa, and soups. I was just so tired of heating 1 cup of water at a time, and this tea kettle works so well. I love the whistling feature because I often go in the other room after I turn it on, and this reminds me that I have water boiling and it's easy to wash. It really looks beautiful displayed on my stove, and I love that the handle folds down to make it easier to clean it and to fill it with water. And the spout has a really nice grip to lift it for pouring. We have been quite impressed with the features of this whistling tea kettle. It's been a great addition to our kitchen, and that's my point of view.